Hi guys, I'm Evie. I will present my daily routine. My day starts at 6:30 a.m. usually. At 7 a.m. when I'm not in a rush. I make my bed and brush my teeth to drink the delicious morning coffee. Then breakfast and take a shower. Although we are in a pandemic, my daily routine changed. I no longer go to work. Instead, on weekends, I sell food at home, Big Belly burgers. So I have more time to dedicate to my family and study. I studied psychology at UNAT. I also organize home after breakfast. In the afternoon, I dedicate about 3 more hours to homework at the university. And in the evening, after dinner, my family and I watch movies or play board games in a living room. And finally, around 10 p.m., I go to sleep.